guys, it's day 2 and I'm so excited to see what they get done today and to share it all with you. This will probably be like a 20-day adventure, so join along now and see what happens to our house. Yeah, they're fixing it. No. And that's a wrap for day 2. It's a good progress. They got out all the cinder blocks, took back that hill some. I don't think anyone maintained this back area for like decades. I don't know. And then there was like a random area right here that cinder blocks came out to here and went up just that high. And like, so this actually we found out was a bunch of dirt, but a bunch of trash that they just had stored there, which was really odd. Like all this was trash. And then this hasn't been supported, like that there has not been supported in a long time. So now it will be. A new retaining wall will go in, and then the new porch, and I can't wait to see it all done, like honestly. But everything is a wreck. Like this dirt is, oh, this is just awful. This is my backyard now. It is so awful. And here's the pile of junk, the old hot tub and boards, and oh, it's just a mess that we'll have to clean up. But yeah, it's progress, y'all. It's progress. It's gonna look like a totally different place when they're done. I'm liking the look of these boxes around the windows. It's gonna look really nice with the new siding when that comes. Yeah, they didn't finish that one. They did get some boxes like built around the other windows, but they didn't get the metal bent for that because the skid steer came and that was more important. I'm a little like eerie about these open things right now. Whoops, there we go. Hopefully they get those boxed in tomorrow, because it's not closed off to our entire upstairs completely. Yeah, it's a wreck. So hopefully they get that done soon.